Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The stories now of several everyday Jamaicans whose spirit after burial offered a small glimmer of hope to others during trying times. Here's Dwayne Anderson with this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope.
Everything gone. When me wake up, not even nothing me no sick, but one piece of old bed where Pitney them bring out the door and lie down. Not at all. Furniture, everything, me no consider nothing, cause I can't breeze blow them where I have somebody take them where still.
A resident of Rocky Point, Clarendon, recounting her ordeal. After being forced to abandon home, her appliances and furniture valuing hundreds of thousands of dollars were stolen by persons unknown. She perhaps wished she had neighbors like this lady in Portland Cottage. The woman heard persons at the hurricane shelter at the Portland Cottage Primary School had nothing to eat, so she went home to make them something warm from the little she had. We caught up with the resident as she made her way back to the facility. In her backpack, her favorite thermos with tea inside. It was not much, but she hoped it will, quote, help bust the gas in otherwise empty stomachs. She's not the only everyday Jamaican we saw making a huge difference in a small way after burial. At the first break of light on Thursday, this elderly man from Anderson Drive left the comfort of his home to check if others needed help.
Checked by my sister to find out her damage. With possible to offer my assistance, but apparently she's okay.
He's been around a long time and could not resist sharing a memory from Gilbert for comparison.
This was a fairly easy and mild storm. Gilbert was terrible. Gilbert was terrible. I saw a big mango tree being taken from the ground next door and coming to my yard and return back.
Back in southern Clarendon, Andy fittingly was making himself handy in Portland Cottage from early Thursday morning. A lot of work needed to be done to clear the roads and remove fallen debris from neighbors' houses, so he got right into it.
Yeah, Andy, you're Andy man. Kinda, well, also known as Caption. Yeah, I live here. I have some blockage I want to get out, I can't get out, so I'm trying to see if I can clear these trees and get this telephone pole removed as well. Also that one, so we can access the shelter as well.
And it's very important that people have access to the shelter?
Yes, very important.
Why?
I mean, I have family over there and friends over there, relatives. So we want them to be able to get out and in so they know what's going on in the community.
Funny enough, he also suffered damage and could have been forgiven for helping himself first.
To a property I have down the street, a business place, I went down there but the roof is gone. But I did move everything to the higher ground, and luckily I don't get any damage more than the roof down there. And then on my way back I tried to assist and clearing the road.
The journey to full recovery from burial may take months and money, lots of it. But it will also take kindness, and many are already chipping in with lots of that. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.